Hi everyone, I will show you how to use quick replies for Instagram DMs. First of all, open your Instagram app and go to your profile and tap the business tools and tap the saved replies and tap the plus icon on the top right, and you need to tap a shortcut key and you need to type a full message, then tap tick. Now open your chat and tap the plus icon, then tap the saved replies. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.